Hi, crafty friends. I'm so excited to reveal our August paper club. And this month we're heading straight to apple picking season. Meet Apple Days and Orchard to Oven. Two warm and cozy collections filled with crisp apples, colorful leaves, classic plaids, apple pies, cider, and all those wonderful little things that make us look forward to fall. These two paper pads coordinate beautifully, giving you so many options for mixing and matching patterns. And wait until you see the coordinating orchard to oven ephemera. It brings the entire theme to life. So grab your favorite drink, get comfortable, and let's take a closer look at everything coming to the August Paper Pad Club. Let's talk about the different ways you can enjoy the August Paper Pad Club. Every Paper Pad Club subscription includes both Apple Days and Orchard to Oven. Each 6x6 paper pad includes 24 sheets with 12 different designs and 4 sheets of each design. That gives you plenty to create with and still have extras of your favorite patterns. We love doing this. As they flip through these papers, you'll notice how beautifully the two collections coordinate. You can mix the apples, plaids, ginghams, leaves, wood grains, and all the cozy fall patterns across both paper pads. You don't have to keep these collections separate. They were designed to work together. If you enjoy stamping, you can also add the August Stamp of the Month to your club. This month's stamp set continues the apple picking theme and gives you even more ways to personalize your cards. You can use it with both paper pads, combine the images with the coordinating ephemera, or use the sentiments with supplies you already own. And if you don't want to choose, we have the I Want It All option. That gives you both paper pads, the coordinating ephemera, and the stamp of the month, so you'll have the complete collection ready to create with. The ephemera includes so many sweet images that bring this theme to life, from apple orchards and cozy fall scenes to pies, cider, baskets of apples, and other little seasonal details. It makes it easy to build a focal point on your card without having to color every image. The Paper Pad Club is a monthly subscription, and club members receive 18% off automatically when you choose monthly at checkout. Your subscription renews every 30 days from the date you joined, so your renewal date is based on your original sign-up date. You can choose the option that fits the way you like to craft. Just the two paper pads, the paper pads with ephemera, the stamp add-on, or the complete I Want It All option. If you love apple picking, baking, cozy kitchens, and the first signs of fall, August is such a fun month to join. I can't wait to see what everyone creates with the Apple Days in Orchard to Oven. Release date is August 1st at 9 a.m. Central Time. I'll also be going live at 10 a.m. on the 1st, so I would love for you to join me and hang out in the chat. I'm going to play some music so you can enjoy while I share all the beautiful ephemera pieces, and then I'll do a little bit of coloring. I'm going to color in that stamp set and make a beautiful card. So I will meet you back on the other side.
Grab your basket, come along. Apple season won't last long. Red and golden, fresh and sweet. Autumn crafting can't be beat. Plaids and gingham leaves that fall. Cozy colors, we love them all. Pick your patterns, make a card. Getting started isn't hard. kitchen, orchard trees, baskets filled with memories. Every pattern, every sheet makes your fall creation sweet. Apple days are here again, crafting with our favorite friends. From the orchard to the oven, these are papers we'll be loving. Pick the pads or get it all. Come and craft your way through fall. Join the club and shout hooray! Apple days are here today. Oh, oh, apple days are here today. Oh, oh, apple days are here today. Apple days are here today. Apple days are here today. Grab your basket, come along. Apple season won't last long. Red and golden, fresh and sweet. Autumn crafting can't be beat. Plaids and gingham leaves that fall. Cozy colors, we love them all. Pick your patterns, make a card. Getting started isn't hard. Apple days are here again, crafting with our favorite friends. From the orchard to the oven, there's paper here for everyone. Slice the paper, layer away, make something beautiful today. Apple days are here, hooray! Let's craft the autumn days away. Apple pie and cider too. So many crafty things to do. Apps and stamps and ephemera fun. Mix and match them one by one. A cozy kitchen, orchard trees, baskets filled with memories. Every pattern, every sheet makes your fall creation sweet. Apple days are here again, crafting with our favorite friends. From the orchard to the oven, these are papers we'll be loving. Pick the pads or get it all. Come and craft your way through fall. Join the club and shout hooray! Apple days are here today.
I stamped out the cute little leaf in the stamp set. I have the sentiment picked just for you on some foam tape, and I'm gonna put a little bit of cardstock right here at the end. That way I have a level playing field right here when I add this sentiment. I want this all the way to the edge. I want to get that on straight. And then we have a few leaves here for some movement on our card. I popped each leaf up, and I'm going to put them facing different directions, so it looks like they're falling naturally. I did color 2 more, but I thought it was too crowded if I put 5 on there. So I'm going to probably just pop them on the inside of our card. I took the leftover and I'll add this to the inside. I'm going to put a piece of white paper in here. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll have all the links in the description box for you. Release day starts August 1st at 9 a.m. Central Time. And don't forget, I'll be going live at 10 a.m. Central Time for a release day party. Come join me. We'll do some crafting and some giveaways. I can't wait to see you guys there. Take care, everyone.